Matter. Anything around us is matter. Things we see, touch, even the air around us is matter. Definition of matter is anything which occupies space and has mass. Ancient Indian philosophers considered that all forms of matter are made up of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and sky. According to them, every living and non-living things are made up of these 5 elements. Characteristics of matter. Matter occupies space, and the amount of space occupied by matter is called its volume. Matter has mass also. This is the second characteristics of a matter. We have a glass of water, and now we are going to dip this stone inside the water. So what we observe? We observe that some water overflowed inside the bowl. So let's see. Yes, the water is inside the bowl. Now we can pour this water back in the glass. So the glass is full now. This shows matter occupies space. We have a spring balance with us. The pointer shows mark 0 when there is no weight hanging. Now we have this stone. We are going to hang this stone and find out the weight of the stone by the spring balance. And we can see the weight of the stone is nearly 200 gram. This shows matter has mass. States of matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called atoms. Atoms does not have a independent existence. Atoms combine to form molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of matter which can exist independently, and it can retain the physical and chemical properties of a matter. States of matter. Matter is made up of very tiny particles called atom. Atom does not exist independently, but two atoms together form molecules which can exist independently and can also retain the physical and the chemical properties of a matter. Now, depending upon the temperature, matter can exist in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. This is the arrangement of molecules in a solid. The molecules are tightly packed. They are attracted towards each other, and this attraction is known as intermolecular force of attraction. And the gap between the molecules are very least in solid, and this gap or this space is known as intermolecular space. In solids, because the molecules are tightly packed, they have a definite shape, and because of the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules are maximum, they have a definite volume also. They have a texture also. They have many free surfaces because the intermolecular space is least and attraction is maximum. Solids are incompressible. you can see there is hardly any space in between. Compressible substances should have space in between. So solids are incompressible. In the molecular arrangement of liquids, we can see the intermolecular space is more and the intermolecular attraction is less. The molecules are not tightly packed. So liquids do not have definite shape, but some intermolecular attraction still exists. So it has a definite volume. Liquids have a tendency to flow because the intermolecular space is more and attraction is less. They cannot be compressed much, but they are compressible. We can reduce the intermolecular space between them under pressure. Liquids have one free surface because of their molecular arrangement. Next is the molecular arrangement of a gas. You can see the molecules are far apart. Intermolecular space is maximum and the intermolecular attraction is minimum. So gases have neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. It has maximum fluidity. Gases are highly compressible because of the intermolecular space, large intermolecular spaces between the molecules. Gases have no free surfaces because one molecule is far apart from the other molecule of a gas.